Whether you are new to painting or looking to know more about brush techniques, this video can help you. Today we'll see what paintbrushes are capable of. This episode will focus on fan paintbrushes, including several techniques to try. Welcome to Acrylic Arts Academy. We teach the world to paint. The first use of a fan brush is to create long blades of grass. Flip the orientation of your brush so that it's straight up and down in its thinnest positioning. We've loaded up the paintbrush with a lovely leaf green color for this method. Use light pressure as you stamp the brush and gently pull upward and away at a slight arc before removing the brush from the canvas. Repeat this motion using varying lengths to each blade and a slightly different arc positioning as you continue. The second use for a fan brush is creating patches of grass. This method is slightly different than the long blades of grass technique. This time, we'll use the same leaf green color and place our brush in the widest orientation flat across horizontally. Use a light touch as you gently press the paintbrush to the canvas surface and flick your paintbrush and wrist upward to create quick blades of grass. Don't fret if the first layer isn't instantly looking as you had hoped. This will take a few fast layers to shape up. Move from side to side as you add these brush strokes in order to widen the patch of grass you're creating. If the blades aren't showing up very well, it's time to add more paint to your brush and try again. You can add dimension and depth to any patch of grass by scooping up a little deep green or brown paint. Use the same technique, pressing down lightly and flicking upward, but not quite as tall as the green blades of grass you just added. The result is instant shadow and therefore depth of imagery. Work until you're pleased with the look. The third use for a fan brush is one-stroke painting fun. The width of a fan brush is perfect for this type of painting. One-stroke painting usually involves loading the paintbrush with more than one color at different parts of your brush. In this example, we've used bright red, blue, and gray to illustrate our meaning. Carefully dunk your brush in all these colors at once. Make sure they're placed close to one another on your palette to make this easy. As you apply this color to your brush, do not mix the hues together. Make sure that there's plenty of paint on your brush before you apply it to the canvas. The result is a neat looking design that incorporates all the colors you chose, instantly mixed lightly at the seams. It's up to you how you utilize a method like this. Many artists use one-stroke painting to create beautiful flowers, but the possibilities are plentiful. The fourth fan brush painting technique is creating evergreen trees. If you watched our round brush painting techniques video, you already learned one way to paint evergreen trees. Painting pine trees with a fan brush is even quicker with this paintbrush. With your implement in the widest position, begin by making a wide base for your tree. Stamp lightly as you put the paint onto your canvas. Tip the brush onto its corner to make the tree narrower as you work upward. Just as we showed you in the round brush techniques video, it will be helpful to add highlights and lowlights to create a more realistic looking tree. We hope you learned some helpful techniques for using a fan brush with acrylic paint today. Give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new, and subscribe to our channel for more acrylic painting content. We'll cover more techniques for varying brushes in the coming weeks. See you next time! Begin your acrylic painting journey by visiting acrylicartsacademy.com/free guides.